Hi, I'm a personal trainer here at Mashoof, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Pec Dec machine. Okay, so this is going to target your chest and your back. First, we're going to go over how to use it for the chest. So you're going to change these pins right here, one sitting on both sides. You can change the weight by using the pin right here. And so you're going to sit in the seat, and you want the height to be just under your chest. So for me, it's right here. And to start, you're going to push with one arm and push with the other arm so it's straight. You keep your back arched and chest high and go back. Pause for a second and fly forward. And so for your rear delts, you're going to want to change the weight to 0 on the setting. And now you're going to sit towards the machine. And you want to change the height so that it's just under your shoulders. All right, so for me, it's around right here, just under my shoulder. You're going to go ahead and push out and fly back straight with your arm straight out, like this. And control the way back when you're doing this. Thank you for listening, and have a good workout. Bye.